Gavel poised, fluorescent light bleaching the courtroom, the judge asked, "Any last words, Mr. Harrow?" My wife's lawyer stifled a laugh. Enjoy starting over with nothing. Across the aisle, she lounged in victory, lipstick like fresh blood, diamond necklace I paid for glinting under recessed lights. "You should have been a better husband," she whispered, loud enough to wound. I inhaled. Copper taste of rage. Heartbeat steadying to a metronome I'd rehearsed for months. "Actually, yes," I said, rising. "I'd like to submit one final exhibit. 6 months earlier I found the receipt, 2 glasses of champagne at midnight, charged to our joint account in a hotel I'd never visited. A name I recognized on the folio, Elliot Crane, her gym trainer. Cold wash over spine, then calculation. Not a question of betrayal, confirmation. My stomach sank, my mind surfaced, razor sharp. She filed for divorce a week later. Irreconcilable differences. Majority assets to her. Her lawyer told mine she documented mine neglect. Neglect? The word amused me. While she rehearsed excuses, I rewired the board. I nodded through mediation, let her paint me apathetic. Meanwhile, late nights flickered with subpoenas, silent investigators, and mirrored drives of her encrypted chats. Patterns emerged. Twice monthly hotel suites, billed to dummy LLCs. Wire transfers from her father's trust to Elliot's fledgling supplement brand. One hidden pregnancy test, discarded, positive. I said nothing. Instead, I audited the company she helped me build. Made myself dispensable, then indispensable, then invisible, transferring patents to a children's trust immune to marital claims. Quietly, I bought the building that housed her boutique, transferred the deed to a shell corporation owned by my brother. Rent tripled overnight. She complained, I feigned sympathy. Every move she made, I matched in shadow. Discovery Day. Her counsel swaggered in with color-coded folders detailing my asset-hiding scheme. I smiled. Counterfile dropped, bank statements, time-stamped surveillance, DNA report confirming the fetus, now terminated, was Elliot's. Pages rustled like wings of a trapped bird. Her lawyer's grin faltered. She went corpse white. Judge called recess. In chambers, settlement talk shifted from what I'd lose to what she'd return. She refused. Pride is a narcotic. Good. Court record would be public. So I stood now, center stage, holding Exhibit 47, a signed confession. My wife's signature, dated 3 nights ago, drunkenly scribbled after Elliot ghosted her for a richer influencer. It read, I fabricated claims of abuse. I diverted marital funds. I coerced testimony. I handed it to the bailiff. Silence rippled like shockwaves. Her lawyer lunged for the paper or the exit, unclear. Bailiff blocked him. My wife finally spoke. You can't! I already did, I said, voice level. The assets you tried to seize now belong to the Harrow Children's Foundation. Irrevocable. You sued a man who legally owns nothing by your own demand. Judge reviewed. Gavel fell. Case dismissed. Motion for sanctions granted. Half her estate redirected to cover my legal fees. She collapsed into the chair that moments earlier crowned her queen. Outside, snowflakes drifted, indifferent confetti. Reporters swarmed. I passed through like ghost through glass. Freedom tasted clean, metallic, inevitable. No wedding band, no anger left, just empty space where future could grow. I slid a final envelope into her lawyer's hand. Deed to her boutique, foreclosure notice stapled behind. A courtesy. In the cab, phone buzzed. Elliot, begging her for rent money. I blocked the number. City blurred by. I traced breath on the window, drew a single line, cutting past and present in half. Sometimes you lose everything to see what was yours. Sometimes you give everything away to prove who never deserved it.